Hello and welcome to Mr. Wiley Teaches Math. Today we're going to be finding percent. So we're going to be taking different things, decimals, fractions, ratios, and writing them as percents. If we're doing something similar like this early in the unit, it might be good to review that video. 0.7 or 7/10, which is the same as 70 over 100, which is 70%. I also could have taken this and written it as 0.7. That would also have led me to 70%. 0.67, which is multiplied by 100, 67%. So in each case, we just multiply it by 100 to get there. 4/5, so I want to get myself, so I can get a decimal or put it over 100. So getting it over 100 won't be too bad. 5 times 20. So 4 times 20 is 80. 80 over 100 is 80%. 31 over 31, or any number over any number, is the same as saying 1 over 1, or 100%. 3 to 25, probably if I rewrote that as 3 over 25, like a fraction, I'd see that a bit clearer. And I still want to get to 100, so I'm multiplying it by 4. 3 times 4 is 12, so it's 12%. 7 over 9. Well, I could do this as how many times does 9 go into 7? It goes in 0. And 9 goes into 7. 9 times 7 is 63, with 7 left over. Bring down to 0, it's going to be again 7, 7, 7, or 0.7 repeats. If you remember, we worked this backwards the other way. We said that if you have bar notation or repeating number, take whatever the number is, put it on top, and put it over the same number of 9s as the repeating. So if we have 7 over 9, we can just go directly to 0.7. So let's use that trick for 2/3. So 2/3, I can get that to go over a 9. A 9 works almost as well as a 10 for me. I did that by multiplying by 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 over 9 just means it's going to be 0.6 repeating. So in this one, I could do how many times does 99 go into 47? Or I can say it's over some 9s. So over 2 9s, that means there's 2 repeating numbers. So it's going to be 0.474747 repeating. 5 over 11, I can use that same trick again. Instead of going to 10s, I can go to 9s or 99s or 999s. So multiplying at 9, 9 times 5 is 45. So 45 over 99 is 0.45 repeating. 5 to 6, that's the same as 5 to 6. I can't get easily to 3, which I could get to 9 from, or any of the others. So I'm going to have to do this as division. How many times does 6 go into 5? 6 goes into 5, 0. 6 times 8 is 48, 2 left over. 6 times 3 is 18, 2 left over. So it's going to be 8.3 repeating, or that's going to round to 0.83, which is the same as 83%. And it occurs to me that I forgot to do that as we went through this. So this would repeating would be about, so rounding would be 0.47, so 47%, 0.67, so 67%, 0.45 repeating, so 45% when I do some rounding, and this is 0.7777 is going to be the same as about 78% when I do some rounding. All right, we also might be asked, 25 is what percent of 300? In other words, it's saying 25 over 300. What percent do we have here? So 25 over 300, may want to start by dividing by 5. 25 divided by 5. 5 goes into 300. 5 times 60. And those both reduce, so divide by 5 goes in once. 5 times 12, so 1/12 Okay, what's 1/12 as a percent? How many times does 12 go into 1? 0, 0, 12 times 8 is 96 with 4 left over. 12 times 3 is 6. Okay, there's my repeating. 0.83 repeating, which this is about the same as 83%. And what percent of 75 is 35? In other words, 35 over 75, which is the same as 7/15. So how many times does 15 go into 7? 7 times 4, 60. 15 times 4 is 60. 10 left over, down that. 15 times 6 is 90. 10 left over, so that's going to repeat. So it's 0.4666, which is the same as about 47%. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the class website for additional notes and assignments.